Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Apple Pencil Pro squeeze gesture in Goodnotes in 2026. Are you using the new Apple Pencil Pro? The squeeze gesture adds even more control to your workflow, and here's how to use it in Goodnotes. Now in today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you listen to my instructions and use the pen like I told you to, you're going to be able to use the Apple Pencil Pro squeeze gesture. Now, before we do that, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. You're just gonna go to the Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna go and download the application. Once it's downloaded, you're gonna open it and make sure you log in with your account. And once you log in with your account, you're gonna open the Goodnotes and make sure your Apple Pencil Pro is connected to your device. Now I'm using my Android device, so my Samsung, so I'm using the S Pen. But if you have an Apple device or an iOS device, you're going to use the Apple Pencil Pro. You're going to make sure it's connected to your device. Then you're going to squeeze the pencil gently while using the app. While writing, you're going to squeeze the pencil gently. And then a tool palette or quick options menu will appear instead of this toolbar, this moving toolbar right here. A quick option of the S Pen will appear. Now, you're going to select the tool you want instantly without going to the toolbar inside the Goodnotes and start writing. You can use quick squeeze for quick tool switching or customize settings if available, and then combine with double tap for maximum speed. Now this just squeeze gesture makes your workflow faster and more intuitive, so master it to get the most out of your Apple Pencil Pro. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.